Oh, that's it.
Braiden,
That's it.
what you got there?
That's good.
Uh-oh. Braiden, that was not nice. That was not nice. We're not supposed to spill our cup. You have got cake all over your face, don't you?
Okay.
Cake. See, and I have made a nice mess with the tractor and the cake. I got cake after I finished my peanut butter and jelly sandwich and a half a banana. And I think that hamburger right there is a big old cookie. And I took a bite out of it, a couple of them. What? Alright, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.